Hey people, so there is this the School of Perfect Eyesight in School for Perfect Eyesight in Pondicherry, and which follows basically the WH Bates principles for eye care. So there we are told that we are made to read in candlelight because the logic is a little amount of strain for the eyes is a good thing. I would never have known, but in fact, even W.H. Bates makes a passing reference to the fact that there are people who read in moving trains and moving buses or whatever, moving vehicles. That is typically not suggested. It's not recommended, but apparently putting your eyes through little amount of strain is fine. Little. So I find that fascinating that W.H. Bates method is very unique in its approach towards eye care. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.